Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid and in this tutorial I will show you how to have more FPS in Minecraft. I will show you how to do it, so you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So if you want to have more FPS in Minecraft, what you need to do is install Optifile, and next step is click in video settings, and here you may set everything what you need to have more FPS. For example, graphics fancy. Nope. Graphic fast. For example, details you may all set on off, then you will have more FPS. You may also set here on max frame rate unlimited. And here render distance, the lower, then you have more FPS. The same with simulation distance. Also quality, you may set all on off. You may also check here, other, animations, and when you do it, you will all set on off. Then you will have more FPS. And it's all in this video, so thanks for watching. You may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time, thanks.